Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. On today's episode, I will be installing the new catch can slash overflow. The homie Keen, that's my welder, my fabricator. That's who does all the stuff for me. He just got done making it, so he's bringing it back to the house, and we're basically gonna put that on to get the car ready for the track. I'm not sure if I'm going to run the car or if I'm going to go to the car show portion of it. All right, so this is what we got going on. If y'all remember my old setup, it was in the corner over there, and then it ran to the 2-10 AN fittings right here. You can't really see them, but unfortunately the turbo manifold comes a little bit too close and I can't fit the hose on there anymore. So I'm gonna have to run it from the front. I didn't feel like drilling out my valve cover and repainting and all that stuff. There is this company called Level 7, and what they do is they have an oil cap that has 2-10 AN fittings that come off of it, which will just send it that way or that way, whichever way you want it to go. So we're gonna open this up and give you a quick detail of how it sets up and basically how it looks while Keem is on his way, and then we'll get the catch can in. All right, so the homie Keem just stopped by. We got the catch can slash overflow tank installed. Just two simple mounting points on the mount for the K2 and on a bracket that holds them out. So I got 2 AN-10s and the coolant overflow. Yeah, so if you guys want to get in contact with the homie Keen Fab to make you anything, here is his Instagram down below. This isn't his full-time job, all right? So it's something that he do on the weekends, you know what I mean? I'll leave his IG and stuff down below, so y'all boys holler at the wolf if y'all need anything. All right, well, this is a Level 7 Performance Quick Vent Cap. It's basically a two-piece system that gives you 2 AN-10 fittings from off of the oil cap. Simple install. Open it up, you just put on the oil rings, and it already come pre-assembled, and you can either run 2 AN there or 2 AN there. Real dope stuff. I'll leave all the information down below to where you could order your own if you're running into the same situation like me, or if you just want to get a catch can from King. You feel me? With the coolant overflow, my dog. All right, so it is the next day, and now I got some better lighting so y'all guys can see the catch can with the Level 7 Performance oil vent cap in all of its glory. Bruh, that's gonna be a clean look. So I got the hoses right there in the box and get started. All right, so this is the hose I got. This stuff is from a company called Red Horse. Yeah, I think I got, I don't know, like 20 feet, 10 feet. I got so much because, for those who know, the homie Randy is going on boost too. So he could use this for his return, or if he's making the catch can, I'm not gonna need that much. So I'm gonna cut this up. But first I'm gonna take my measurements, cut it up, and put on the AN. All right, I said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. It was in time-lapse mode. So this is the second piece actually. After you take your measurements and you cut your hose, make sure you measure it right though. Measure it like 2-3 times. I put it right beside the fitting and like, let me just judge it. But use tape so when you cut it, it doesn't flare. You're gonna grab your fitting. You're gonna take off the tape. I'm gonna take off the tape. What I do, I dip a little oil inside of the hose after I put this on, and it kind of helps with screwing on the second piece. That's what I do. You don't have to do what I do. I'm just letting you know how I do it, and it's been working ever since. So you take the hose, you take the fitting, and you just push it over and in. Like try and like catch all of the little hairs. All right, once it's over, you just like twist back and forth, and it's going to stop. It's going to stop at, there's like a little rim inside of the hose, like a little piece that makes it stop before it gets to the thread. You want to get it up to that point right there. So you just keep twisting and pushing down, and it will eventually get right there. That's where you want to stop at. All right, well, it's going to stop for you. You do that to both sides, and then we'll head back over to the vise. All right, so we're at the vise. You can look on Amazon, and you can get these right here. These are like some AN vise holders or whatever. It helps a lot, especially when you try and do AN fittings, because you don't want to just put the fitting in vise. That's just gonna scratch it up. You see? It's holding the AN. It got like the perfect cutout for it so it doesn't scratch it. And like I was saying, I take my pinky, I get a little oil, and I drop it into the hose. I don't think it's bad because the oil is going to be running through the hose anyways. And then I grab the second half of the fitting and I do the same thing. I drop a little oil around it. This always helps. I tried it before without any type of oil or anything, and let me tell you, that bit do not want to go on easy. So from there, you just drop it in there, you push down, you're gonna feel it grip the threads. Once it grip the threads, you grab your AN wrench. You can use regular tools, but you're gonna scratch your shit up. So you grab your AN wrench, then you just twist away. Once it's tight, take it out of the vise. And there you go. You have an AN fitting. All right, and when you're done, this is how it's gonna look. Just like that. So it all depends on where you're putting your catch can. Like I've seen people put these on the right side and it goes over there somewhere, or they even run it alongside the top unit to over there. But just cut your hose to the proper lengths to where you want to do it. But I don't think I showed you guys how to actually put this on. So once you put on the fittings, you drop it over the oil cap. You grab this piece. This is what tightens down and holds it into place. You grab your socket that's big enough to fit that, and then once that's tight, this isn't gonna back out. This can't move, and then this is just there for you to pour oil when you need to. And that's pretty much it. Level 7 performance. The cap is on, the hoses are connected. I got these I got these things from Amazon. It basically goes there and it holds the hose. Like it's a cleaner look than zip ties. You feel me? Amazon. I'll leave all the links in the description to everything here. It comes back in a pack of like 5, I believe. All right, so the level 7 performance oil vent cap is installed along with the Keen Fab oil catch can / overflow with the AN hoses and the brackets and everything. Real easy thing to do. If you have a catch can that goes anywhere else, you could just run the hoses there. I am gonna change this fitting out to a push lock fitting and rerun the hose. I gotta get this changed out too. So that will be next, but I'll do that on a later date. I will take that out sometime, maybe next week after the show on Saturday, and polish it up so it's nice and blingy, but that's fine for now. Big shout out to level 7 for sending this out. I will give you guys a discount code. It'll be posted. Like I said before, everything will be in the description if you want to copy one of these. Real simple thing to do. That concludes this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one, which would be at the track on Saturday. PBIR, Palm Beach International Raceway. But if you guys are looking for one of these, like I said, read the description. All of the codes and links and everything will be down there. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all. Peace.